Hey, here are some free words of wisdom. Real business doesn't happen overnight. It takes years, sometimes months, but usually years to build a real business from scratch. Don't get caught up in the hopium mindset or the make money or the home run mentalities and lottery scratcher snicker sniffer tickets that just says I can do one thing and the whole world will unlock me. Don't subscribe to that. Get a real mindset about real business in a real time frame so you can succeed at a business with the right knowledge and right capitalization. If you don't know what it takes, check the link out below or in the profile above. Follow along with the presentation. Understand what it takes to build a real business with real intrinsic value that has intellectual property and assets so that you have an opportunity to exit something that could be life-changing in the future while spending the right time, knowledge, and money doing it. That's very important. So look at those links, check that out, and remember, don't subscribe to the hopium and don't get caught up in your lottery mindset mentality. Those are words of wisdom right there that you can follow today. Take care.